Are you tired looking for a property that fits on your need? Have you ever heard Albiera? Yeah, here in Pampanga. This is Chris of Project Tour from the Fords Realty Corporation. I help people to find the perfect property that fits on their need, lifestyle, and budget. So you can move forward with confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss this opportunity to become a property owner here in Albiera. Whether it's your first home, next investment, or forever place. I'm here to make it happen. Let's turn your property goal into reality. This is Chris of Project Tour. Dream home you deserve. People you trust.